So Ontario is not reporting any coronavirus cases or a number of you know how many cases are in certain areas, usually the big five, or hotspots, or any you know the number of people hospitalized, and the number of patients in ICU, and the patients in ICU using a ventilator, and that was not revealed. Hospital and long-term care homes has not been revealed ever since gray zone happened in Ontario, and I don't understand why they would choose not to. But yeah, I am looking off CP24 right now because no one website is choosing to show that, but a lot of stuff has changed. So the only provinces that are they are showing updates on is Quebec. They are having high cases. Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick. So again, with the I want to add more because there was something that I missed. It was revealed sort of later when I actually uploaded my video. So what I see, so apparently, this coronavirus variant, it's it's already moved on to other countries in Europe, Netherlands, Belgium, and Denmark, and also Australia, the continent, that country down south of the equator. Yeah. So also, one person also, they were so what happened was the person, we don't know if it's he or she, but they came from United Kingdom back to Ontario. The couple from Durham Region, they interacted with this person. They did not know that he had this active coronavirus variant. They ended up catching it because it was contagious. They had to quarantine themselves now. Now, another person, so there's two others. One's from Ottawa. So apparently these people, they came back from United Kingdom. They came back, Ottawa, and wherever it was in British Columbia, interacted with these people, and yeah, you can probably guess how what it worked. So the health units in British Columbia towns and cities, they're doing their best to try to track down the virus and trying to vaccine, but so the BC one is from Vancouver Island. So was like Vancouver, like Victoria. And Ottawa, of course. Ottawa used to be on the hotspot list until, yeah, it sort of halted, and then they sort of. I don't think they're in a red zone, but yeah, they're probably in a. They used to. Because we haven't heard from them since. Of course, that means, of course, people do not have any interactions with anybody. I will post some rules down below. The gray zone rules I will post in. That has been on the previous video. I will not upload it on this one. So, like, yeah. No social gathering with anyone outside your household. It's like, yeah, and you gotta keep it under 10 if you are having any. And apparently it needs to be outdoors. And of course, there's going to be limitations that, we already explained that it's the gray zone procedures. Some businesses will be closed, and some businesses will be altered. Some services will be available. Some requirements will happen. Limitation on the number of people who on the number and like entry of like businesses like grocery stores, convenience stores, and pharmacies, and then also discount stores and big box stores. That's like half the number of like the people who can go in. So like number was like revealed for like a grocery store, convenience store. Then that was like 50, and pharmacy that was 50% of the actual size of. But yeah, it's good to keep it on. I'd rather keep it under 50. And of course it'll be half that of the other one. And of course restaurants, bars are doing takeout. So you can walk in, order whatever you want, take out, go. Or you can order delivery or drive-through services if they have it. And of course you can use DoorDash or Uber Eats, the app, or if you're actually going to pick it up yourself from home. Yeah, you can go on DoorDash.ca. And of course, no large gatherings. You have to pay $1,000 if you are the host, and every person who showed up has to pay $750. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. And gray zone rules are still in effect. Toronto and Peel Region draft rules end January 4th. Keep that in mind. So the gray zone rules, general gray zone rules, will end January 9th for Northern Ontario. Southern Ontario, it ends January 23rd, 2021. I told you to mark your calendars as a reminder. So it's unfortunate they didn't give an update for the number of coronavirus cases, so we can actually now, like, okay, the coronavirus cases are at this number, so we can sort of work follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations to try and lower the numbers. Because the last time the number that was shown was 2005. I just hope it's lower than that. But I have a feeling it's higher. So, stay safe. Quarantine yourselves. If you're not working or like school, which when school they'll open January 11th for elementary and 25th for high school, and shopping and caring for vulnerable people. Yeah, if you ain't doing that, I advise you not to go outside. So I'm gonna have to try and quarantine myself as see you guys in the next video.